Now, in a big blow to the BRS, 6 BRS MLCs joined the Congress in the presence of Revanth Reddy at his residence on Thursday, giving a strategic boost as far as the ruling party in the upper house is concerned, where it only had 6 MLCs. Now, with 6 BRS MLCs joining the Congress in Telangana, the Congress strength has now doubled to 12. And to get more on this, we have Uma joining us. Uma, very shocking. Let's, when we talk about this, major shift that has taken place just late last night at Revanth Reddy's residence, and now the strength as far as the Congress party is concerned has only doubled.
Yes, indeed. It does not come as a surprise because it was expected. We are already been seeing ever since the defeat of the BRS in the assembly elections that were held on November 30. Ever since that happened, at least 5 BRS MLAs have in fact shifted loyalties, and many more are expected to also move. And it is, already in the Legislative Assembly, the Congress does have a majority, but in a sense it is strengthening itself in areas that were weak in the Hyderabad region. For instance, we are expecting more joinings from the BRS into the Congress. But the bigger concern for the Congress was really the fact that in the Legislative Council, out of the 40 members, there were only about 4 initially, 2, then 4, then 6 members who are with the ruling party, and the BRS in fact had 26 members, and therefore 6 of them now moving to the Congress. And the Congress and Revanth Reddy certainly will want a majority in the council as well, because with the budget session also coming up, and any bills that come up in the assembly will have to go through the council as well, and for them to be passed there, the Congress does not have the numbers. So this was not totally unexpected. We were seeing informal talks happening between these council members and the ruling party, the advisors and others in the CMO, as well as the Telangana Pradesh Congress Committee leaders were in touch with these people, and therefore the shift is not totally unexpected. Whether it will be able to gather numbers such that the Congress manages a majority, that still is a question, open-ended question. K.T. Ramarao, working president of the BRS, has in fact commented on the resignation of K. Keshav Rao, who yesterday formally joined once again the Congress, and not just he had joined the Congress earlier, but he resigned from his Rajya Sabha seat. So he said, just like Keshav Rao has resigned, the other MLAs who have shifted loyalties also need to resign, because they are not, they are going to be violating the anti-defection law. And the Congress in its manifesto in fact had said that they are wanting amendments in that and not allowing this kind of shifts. So he's appealed to Rahul Gandhi, saying that if you're saying you're protecting the constitution, what about these defections that have happened and you're allowing them to continue in the Congress party?